fastener per corner. Connect the motor cable from the fan to the control panel. Twist the connector to lock it in place. Secure the excess cable to the ceiling or beam. Connect the communication cable to one of the COM terminals and run it down to where you'll be using the touch screen. Make sure the control panel is 15 feet from the center of the fan. Connect the electrical plug to the receptacle and twist the connector to lock in place. Mount the touchscreen enclosure to the wall. Attach the screen panel to the enclosure by putting a screw in each corner. Assemble the watertight RJ45 connector. Connect the communication cable from the control panel to the COM1 port at the base of the touchscreen unit. Connect the pre-wired 110-volt plug into the input power receptacle. Make sure you maintain a 45-degree angle between the ceiling and the guy wire. Attach the guy wire to the building structure with the provided beam clamps. Once you attach the guy wire to the beam clamp, temporarily thread the wire to the guy wire disc until all 4 guy wires are attached to the building. After the guy wires are attached to the building, hook the ends of the turnbuckles to the guy wires disc on the down rod. Unthread the guy wires from the disc. Thread each guy wire through one of the provided gripples, then the end of the turnbuckle and back through the gripple. Place the level against the down rod and in a crisscross pattern, hand tighten the turnbuckles, occasionally checking to make sure the fan stays level. Make sure you tighten the set screws. Line up the pin on the post with the opening on the blade holder. Using our Quick Connect system, insert the blade tube into the blade hub until you hear a click. Use the torque wrench to tighten the 2 set screws to 20 foot-pound. Repeat for the remaining blades.